Students, let's see how your preparation is going on. First question. The circulatory system is responsible for? Option C. Of course, it is the transportation of the materials. Question number 2. Which of the following is a component of the circulatory system? Option A is the right answer. The heart. Question number 3. Which type of blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? These are the arteries. Option number D. Question 4. Which blood vessels have thin walls for exchange of gases and nutrients? Option B is the right answer. The capillaries. Question 5. Which component of blood is responsible for oxygen transport? RBC. Option number C. Red blood cells transport oxygen. Question number 6. Which part of the heart receives deoxygenated blood? Option A is the right answer. The right atrium. Question 7. What prevents the backflow of blood in the veins? These are the valves. Option number D is the right answer. 8. The liquid part of the blood is called the plasma. Option number B is the right answer. Question 9. Which artery carries deoxygenated blood? There is only one artery, and that is the pulmonary artery. Option number C. Question number 10. What is the normal blood pressure in humans? Option number is the right answer. 120/80. 11. Blood is pumped from the heart to the body by? Right answer is option number D, the left ventricle. Question 12. Which blood cells are responsible for clotting? Option B is the right answer, the platelets. Question number 13. Which vein carries oxygenated blood? There is only one vein, and that is the pulmonary vein. The pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood, and the pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood. 14. The wall that separates the left and the right side of the heart is called? Option B, it is called the septum. 15. The heart is made of which type of muscle? These muscles are called the cardiac muscles. Option number D is the right answer. 16. The smallest blood vessels in the human body are? These are the capillaries. Option number B. 17. The pacemaker of the heart is? The SA node. Option number C is the right answer. 18. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? The naphthoquinone. Option number K, naphthoquinone or the phylloquinone. 19. The blood vessel that carries blood from heart to lungs. It is the pulmonary artery. Option number D, and it carries deoxygenated blood. 20. Which part of the brain controls the heartbeat? It is the medulla oblongata. Option number B. 21. In humans, blood circulation is of what type? Option number C, double. 22. Which organ is called the graveyard of the RBCs? Thankfully, here are 3 options, and the right answer is option A, the spleen. 23. The valve between left atrium and left ventricle is? The mitral valve. Option number D, or the bicuspid valve. 24. Which of the following carries blood towards the heart? The vein. Option number B. 25. The aorta originates from which part of the heart? Right answer, option C, the left ventricle. 26. Which part of the circulatory system returns fluid to the blood? The lymphatic system. Option number A is the right answer. 27. Which of these is the largest artery in the body? Aorta. Aorta is the largest artery in the body. Option number D. 28. Heart attack is caused by blockage of which artery? Option B. The coronary artery. 29. Which protein helps in oxygen transport in blood? Of course, it is the hemoglobin. Option number D. 30. Which component of blood contains antibodies? The white blood cells. Option number B. 31. Which of the following has the highest blood pressure? Option number A. The arteries. 32. The heart is enclosed in the cover. It is the pericardium. Option number C. 33. Which vein carries oxygen from the lower body to the heart? Right answer is option number D. The inferior vena cava. 34. Which blood vessel connects arteries and veins? Right answer option B. The capillary. 35. Which layer of the heart is responsible for contraction? Option A is the right answer. The myocardium. 36. The lub sound of the heart is produced due to the closure of. Right answer option C. The AV valves. Option C is the right answer for this question. 37. The volume of blood pumped per minute by each ventricle is called. The cardiac output. Option D is the right answer. 38. What is the main pacemaker of the fetal heart before the SA node matures? It is the AB node. Option B is the right answer. 39. Which ion is essential for heart muscle contraction? Right answer option number A. The Ca+2 ion, the calcium ion. 40. The blood vessel that distributes oxygen-rich blood to the heart tissue is called. Right answer option C. The coronary artery. 41. Which blood vessels act as blood reservoirs? Right answer option number D. The veins. 42. The Frank-Starling law relates cardiac contraction strength with. Option B. Venous return. 43. Which hormone increases heart rate during stress? Option B is the right answer. The adrenaline. 44. Which structure prevents the heart from over-expanding? Right answer option C. The pericardium, the outer cover of the heart. 45. Which blood vessel supplies the brain with oxygenated blood? These are called the carotid arteries. Option D is the right answer. 46. Which factor determines blood viscosity? Option D is the right answer. RBC count as well as the plasma proteins. 47. Blood pressure is controlled long term by which organ? Option C. The kidneys. 48. Which vein carries deoxygenated blood from the head to the heart? These are the jugular veins. Option A is the right answer. 49. Which blood component helps maintain blood osmotic pressure? Right answer is option D. The albumin. 50. The SA node is located in which chamber? Right answer. It is the right one. Option B. The right atrium. The SA node is located in the right atrium. Students, here comes the end of the video. If you have enjoyed the session, please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe.